Alright, so we just picked up some new tires for the Type R. I know we're selling the car, however, I had bought these tires for the track series, which will not be getting finished now that the Type R is being sold. I don't really want to track a car that I'm going to be selling, but we will do a track series in the future if we can manage to get our hands on the new 2023 Type R when that drops. So we're going to head to the shop, get these tires installed, and see if we can feel any difference and hold on to the tires that are currently on the car for the BRZ. We have these pretty much brand new Continental Extreme Contact Sports that are 265, 35, 18. A lot more meat, but shouldn't be too much of a difference since they're still pretty much the same specs other than it being a 265 instead of 255. And it should have more grip because these do have a lot more tread and they are Continental Extreme Contact Sports, whereas those are actually Michelin all-season 4S's. So, but we're mainly putting this on for the new buyer of the car or the wheels, depending if I part out or sell the car as is. But it should be a pretty good setup. Usually I would like to film them putting on new stuff on the car. However, it sounds like we're not really allowed to go back there anymore because of insurance reasons, but that's fine. So yeah, we're just gonna wait till the tires are done. Alright, while the tires are getting mounted, we might as well walk around and have a little talk. So the new BRZ is on the way. I know some of you guys want to hear more about that car. It will be here December 17th is when Subaru said the car will arrive at the dealership. We will be heading to Maryland on the 20th to go pick it up because that's where I ordered it at MSRP and actually $1,000 off because it was a seasonal promotional offer. So yes, I got my BRZ for less than MSRP and I already have some parts at the apartment right now, and the wheels should be arriving today. So that is the main reason we are getting these tires swapped at New School today, because we are going to be putting the tires that are currently on my Type R onto the BRZ wheels and then putting those wheels on the BRZ and then selling the T37s with the Continental Extreme Contact Sports with the car or a part out. Either way, I'm saving the Michelin all-season 4S's for my BRZ. This is Steven's Type R. I know you guys are going to miss the Type R content, but there is quite a few Type Rs in my area. Steven is currently running, I believe. I think this is 265, 35, 18. Nope, this is a 275. So I currently have a 255, 35, 18 on the car, which doesn't really fill the wheel gap as much as I would like it to. But this 265, 35, 18 should fill it up nicely. And then we're gonna get some nice pictures of the car, do a nice little photo shoot before I either sell the car or start taking parts off of it. So, and you guys will see the Type R for as long as it's still on the market. I don't think it's going to be sold anytime soon. The latest I will keep it till is February. So if it doesn't sell by February, I'm going to part it out, sell to CarMax. But as of right now, I think I'm going to keep it the way it is. Maybe sell the wheels and keep the car the way it is until February. So you guys might see the Type R for quite a while. I mean, it all depends on whether somebody is willing to buy the car soon or not. We're about to go all out. As soon as this BRZ gets here, I'm going to make as many videos as I can. I already have them all mapped out. The car should be one of the first to be like fully decked out. I have a phase 1 plan, a plan where we're going to be working on motor stuff, and then a phase 2 plan that's going to be happening around summertime. So that BRZ already has like its whole life planned ahead of it. I'm really excited to see how this all goes. You know, I've already started working with people to start building my brand Risen and the local car group that we've created here into making some merch and into making some new banners and nice logos for stuff that we can use in the future once this channel starts growing a little bit more. But as of right now, I'm trying to grow this channel and make it somewhere. Continental 265s. That looks Now that the springs have compressed, you can see that the fitment is like near damn perfect. So I would definitely say for the Eibach Pro kit that I have on this car, 265/35/18 is the best tire. You can see that it has very good fitment and it grips very well. The Continentals are actually what come with the car, and I happen to really like the way they handle. And these just look so much better than the 255s. It's a small difference, but that little difference makes a huge difference to me. $45. This is Florida, people. $45 for a tank of gas for a Honda Civic. All right. Let's see if this thing grips any differently. Obviously, the tires were just put on, so they're not warm yet. But let's see if I can feel a difference in grip. I will give a slight launch for a little tire test here. Oh my god. Okay, so once you hit second gear, it hooks. The car is pretty much full bolt-on, but damn, that hooked really well on the second gear. The first gear had a little bit of spin, a little bit of hop, but as soon as you got into that second gear, the car just took off. That was very nice. I love that. I'm sure I scared the crap out of everybody around me because I wasn't expecting for it to make that much noise, but that was nice. That was good. I think these people want to race me. I think the people left and right want to race. Yep. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's do it, Audi. Person stepping on their Audi. Oh my gosh, I'm having too much fun. This is bad. Alright, it's the next day. Okay, this is my new editing laptop / tuning laptop. So now we have stuff to make sure the car is right. We got rid of all the codes because the car is now tuned properly. We got our tuner Seth on board here. We're gonna test our shit up, boy. What's here?
I thought that shit was from right now.
They're here. I'm not gonna show you guys the full wheel, but I'm sure you guys will be able to look it up and see, like, you guys should be able to figure out what it is. Oh, okay. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, that's all I'm showing y'all. The rest is y'all's reaction. Go ahead.
Jesus Christ, shiny. This is nice, bro.
Oh.
Have fun, enjoy.
Have fun. I'm not gonna show you guys the full wheel yet, but I will because we're gonna get them mounted with the new tires soon. And I'm sure you guys can tell what wheels they are, but I want to do like a full reveal once the tires are on them. So that'll conclude today's video.
Damn, boy, the picture's alive.
Here's some of the parts that we have for the BRZ. I'm not going to tell you guys what they are yet, but it is coming together. The car's not even here yet, but once the car gets here, it's gonna go crazy. Conclude today's video, Seth?
Yep, today's been nice.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And don't forget to never stop dreaming.
Never stop dreaming.